let's suppose you work for a company and you have employees at a certain date, let's say NFL quarterbacks in 2014. And at a later date, let's say 2015, you want to know who the new employees were who didn't work in 2014, like the quarterbacks who were quarterbacks in 2015 but not 2014. How could you highlight them in yellow? Well, we could use conditional formatting, the formula option, and simply count for everybody in column B how many times they occur in column E. And if they occur 0 times, they were a new quarterback. So let's get on this really quickly. Select this range where we want the format to go, column B, Control-Shift-Down arrow. We'd go Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, Use a Formula. Okay, click the button to reduce this in size. So we'll say count if, and the range that we want to count is in column E, Control-Shift-Down arrow. That should be $, because you always want that range. We want to compare that to the first cell in our range, B2. I need to use F4 to get rid of those $, because I want that to change to B3. I guess I could have left a $, on the B. And if that equals 0, then we're going to have the highlight in yellow. That means they played in 2015 but not 2014. Format, fill yellow. Now that should work okay. So there's your new quarterbacks. Jameis Winston, I guess he was Rookie of the Year. Bradford was not a rookie, but he didn't play in 2014 due to an injury, etc. So that's a very simple way to highlight new employees. And then the people who were old employees who were there in 2014, they're highlighted in white, but I could easily change that color if I wanted to.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.